moving, people. We're trying to do work here. Just keep moving.
Gar on the comm. This is Gar. Take a Malta.
This is Malta. Go ahead.
Malta, what's with all these people everywhere today?
Hondo's hiring new flight crews. No experience necessary.
No experience necessary? Yeah, I got no experience. Bye-bye.
Trust me, Gar. You don't want this job.
Oh, hilarious, my friend. My employees love to joke while they work. Potions, am I right?
Yes, so.
Yes, I'm right. So please keep moving forward and prepare yourself for an exciting career in the laughter-filled world of interstellar smart shipping. We are shipping. Waiting for, yes. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later.
Yeah, we'll do everything around here.
Yes, yes. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You are my fine friend. Yes, yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll give you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I will profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go. So, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go, 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 go. You worry too much, R5. I would never send them any place dangerous that might damage the ship. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, despite what you may have heard, my friends, when you work for Ohnaka Transport Solutions, there is no need to worry. Everything is precise, professional, and... What do you mean, system failure? Flight engineer, repair desk. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up. and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Jump, Papa. Yes, yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Left pilot brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes, yes, yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep up to the train. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chu is right. If we leave them back, they may find the resistance. You did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be a lot. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad. You to go.
Transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.